Yeah, man, Wagwan. Welcome forward to Sandy and Bones TV. Don't know, we always are keeping up update with Wagwan with Queenie and Dewey and you see it. Yeah, man. Yo, where Sandy and Bones TV pre up from the other day. Yeah, man, it's a good thing for Queenie can drive him husband go work and them little thing then, but it look away if you see your wife drive go work and just stay outside and watch and wait and every little thing till you done work and if you carry you back home. No, I don't think that look good still, no. I don't tell no lie, no. I don't know if you feel good to other person still, no, but that couldn't feel good to me. You see it. She not give the man no space and them thing there. You see it and the man will soon get uncomfortable again. Yo, I not told you out the video and talk out the video still, no, but Queenie have something to say. You see it, so I leave it for she say and you can hear it. Just remember to like, comment and share and subscribe to the TV. Yeah, man, big up on yourself. I'm out.
Oh no, no, put nothing into me and me I put something to you. You know, there's something where fascinate me that me I come over your page. I mean, sit on your and talk all manner of evil white people that on my platform. So if you say you're my true friend and you know me from a long time, as you claimed, and you came on the live, and you was typing, and you see me not say, you know, sometimes something doesn't I can't. Sometimes I start chatting as much as me I chat, me not read the comment them. Sometimes when I do read the comments them, me see something, I mean, them trouble me. Sometimes I have the people them all not even trouble me. Me don't even read it something them properly. So don't allow me. You leave me with my nice self. Oh. Leave me with my nice pretty self for me. I'm over myself and my son. So, you know, I don't like join people together. I never do that something then. Because nobody can tell me, say, oh, you know, you have some friend and then go check on a man and them have, the man have one friend and them tell us, not me. I don't run them joke there, you know. My sister did have one man and have one friend. Every time my sister go look for the man, the friend want to look. I say, no, I don't like that. That's not separate. Me not like you. Me, you know, I make no court. But through my sister have your me not look no partnership for nobody. No leave. Hey, you see that song, yeah? You can't hear the hurt, you can't hear the passion, you can't hear everything with it that go on for the last 3-4 weeks with me. The whole of it put in the song, everything, the melody, the way I'm grab up 5 feet and me get out of me good, me sing the song with authority. The song is so heavy. Listen to the song. And on a lightweight. Listen to the Queen. I gotta chat me till I come good. Fucking hell. Boy, stick around me, I forgot crown you. I'm not lie. Trust me. Stick around Cartel say you're president. Well, me I call you the professor. Yeah, Cartel give you president. Me I give you professor, madam. I'm proud of myself. What a comeback. Hmm? All them attacks and my man leave. I made the one wife, yes. I went to run him and sing this. Sikaram. God bless you, Sikaram. I say when I say you saw the way I say anyway make them this and so to do it. That gone viral already. That's a trend all TikTok and it not release yet. You know why? And at the heart of my broken sorrows, you know, when I laugh after me and I mock me, and husband now answer me, husband now pay me the mind, I say, I have to reconnect. You think God asleep? Stand up, get up, stand up for your right. Get up, stand up. One man to me goodie. Hey, remember so the day when I go sing that song there, you know? And the day with it live and the excitement, you know, and blow, who come and this and chat man and class them and never say me love my best. I'm sitting down there and them full up my brains that tell me this, that and no husband. This is from my husband called me the day after me do the Queenie of the day. I say, my come on, I say a long time you for me. Come on, God. I don't give a f the way you do me, no remember. Me I dash them and I been me and my husband alone. For better or for worse. You think me like what him do to me, I like what me did do to him. Out of the airport, I will happen. None of we kids, so you know what is truth? Cannot come back. I will love one another. Love conquer. No shame. Eh? No shame. No more shame. No careful of what you say. Approach with caution. No do some deep, devious thing and still never remember say I'm married or married. Listen, man. Life is a journey. Today you win some, you lose some. But you say where you believe in, where you protect, where you guide. That's the key of it. So, so may I get up every morning or every day and promote my song? What, my nurse? Marvelous nurse, morning. You always represent. Yeah, may I get up every morning and may I go promote my song? I may go out with myself about my song and I'm going to do the routine. But more and dress up nice when me I do the routine. It's like when me have a little, don't, know. You have to have, don't give a no ladies, they're gonna be stale. Tell me forget up every day, groove and smooth. If me in my yard and come live on a cuss. And I'm like, so am I not allowed to be myself though? Do I have to create this image for impressing them and not impress none of myself not impressed? It's my platform. Me I impress myself because whatever sweet me, I eat for me and I come right here. So I'm not gonna sweet me. Me turn on my own self now. Ready? Yeah. So I'm not telling a cousin, a neighbor, and a classmate. Tell a friend to tell a friend that Queenie had the song out for all the girls. You get me? So who not put it on them status, put it on them news feed, and just support the Queen. I'm gonna ask the Queen Elizabeth now, may I do fair job fair you know? Oh, that's enough for try now. Elizabeth now have no time for now. So up in our proper rich palace. I am the yeah. Me I the ghetto queen and represent to the ladies them on the scene. I'm the ghetto queen and the queen. So no, come talk to me. Come on, come talk to me and tell me about the good song. One queen in a deck. Hey, it's all the next, I'm telling you, it's a 2025. That's 3 years from now. Well, that's to me that Grammy line. And now that's the Grammy cover, do a little bit Grammy. I'm going to be in the Grammy line. Yeah. I'm going to get dressed later. Today I Wednesday, you know, Girl Power Wednesday. Every Wednesday I forgot live, 9 o'clock. But I'm doing so much stuff. Like now I'm on the live with you lot. So by later I'm going to get caught up in so much things. But Girl Power still around. I have to represent for my girl them. That's I'm on a stop your breath on a road. When you see me build a foundation and set and things on the can. I never met my Sunday foundation part. Take the left. I didn't make my foundation on sand. So when I don't make on a foundation on sand and water come and wash it, you want to blame me, Queenie? Don't blame me. No, do you ever sit down and feel like you want it for me every hour over my speech and for defend for the girls? Then I think I got to say, wide and deep, deeper, wide, say you. Me, girl, you need to know your angles and your tactics. If God give you a deeper, wide girl, put a shallow, hollow. Yeah, but away from that, a lot of girls are their own enemies to us, woman. Because it's not positive things to say girl power. So girl power show you the good, the bad, and the indifferent. But because you're not tough like Terabit, and it's not even so tough sometimes, you know, and just like to discriminate. Me, I want somebody when I not discriminate when I make me get stronger. So, now make somebody wanna discriminate, I wanna not discriminate me. Me not drive, me not bother do my ear, me not bother no make a difference to my life more than motivate me more. So she expect for me to see me drop it on my face. Alright girl, me not gonna drop on my face. So I give me strength in it. But the reason is this. We can take over the world and that me want girls to take over the world. Me alone cannot do this shit. So when I think I go bash me and tell me for come off the internet, me nah come off. Come off and still got take me off island. You know why? I've got a vision and I aim and so when I intend to scrape out someone when I'm not confident, when I have no motivation, when I have no love, when I have no care. Me have personality. All purpose. Me telling them many multiple personalities. So if I lose that, so I gain this. If I drop off that, so I catch up there, so. And I think as woman, we need to get more recognition. Is that the word? We need to get more recognition. Man quick for bust them man friend, you know. Man quick for look out for them man friend, you know. You see all you when you go and get them and bring 10 gal